Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Pad Neo and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find additional settings. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time option. So let's first of all turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher, and now we can freely tap on date and just by swiping change it, and the time, the same situation, just by swiping. And it will be, of course, immediately applied to the status bar. We can also change the time zone and just tap on it, and here we will be transferred to the full list of available time zones from which we can choose. So just find yours and tap on it. For example, this one. Of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here we've got also the time format. Currently we've got the 12-hour format. Of course, you can set 24-hour one just by tapping on this option. It will be immediately applied. There we've got also the option for the dual clock. It's up to you whether you want to use it or not. Just tap on the switcher, and the whole idea of this feature is that your device will display two different clocks, the one with the time from your actual and current residence and the second one with the time from any other place in the world. So it's up to you. Of course, you can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on this switcher right here and changing, obviously, the time zone to the proper one. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.